Hey everyone, it's Philip here, recorder of the OSFirstTimer series. Now in this episode you're probably thinking, Windows me, that's just before what she uses all the time, which is Windows XP. Easy, right? Well, that's a trick. It'll be ultra easy for her to try, but I've got a little trick up my sleeve planned for her at the end of the video, which is gonna scare the living daylights out of her. Have a watch. Welcome to another episode of OSFirstTimer. In this episode, Diana is going to be trying out Windows Me. Now this one should make her pretty happy, because Windows Me was released a year before XP, so it's very close to what she's already got. Anyway, start going.
Okay.
It's not the fastest operating system to boot up, but don't worry about that. So it's just started up. What do you notice?
It's scanning.
Why?
I wouldn't have a clue.
It basically thinks that there's something wrong with the disk. And this happened very often when you run your computer. Anyway, now it's time to log in.
Okay.
So it was basically trying to recover. So you log in. Great. You like the login sound?
Yeah. It looks... the desktop looks very familiar to me.
Great.
What's this active desktop recovery?
Something that happened very often. The actual active desktop crashed all the time. It was removed in XP.
Right.
Active desktop added like elements like web links on your desktop and stuff. So all you got to do is, this error pretty much appears every time you turn your computer on. Just restore my active desktop.
Okay.
And there we go. So it's Windows Me Millennium Edition. That's what Me stands for, Millennium Edition.
Right.
Anyway, let's start off with your tasks. And it's pretty sad, 2 kind of little crashes or errors, and you haven't even started doing anything yet. So number 1, what time is it?
6:16 AM.
Yeah. Okay, that's pretty easy.
Okay.
Now the next task is write, save, and open a text document.
Well, I assume I go to the start menu and...
Did you like how it scrolls up
I
and
like
does
the way it pops out and everything. That's fantastic.
That was not done in XP by default.
Yeah.
So in Windows Me, that was a common thing, but not in XP.
Okay, well I do like this. Okay, I'm going to open a new document. So, whoops, new text document. Oh, I like this. And that's my new text document. They want me to name it. Okay.
Yep.
Doc. Oops. Okay.
Great.
Now I'm going to open it, which I'm double clicking it.
Double clicking, there's Notepad.
Great. Okay. I am typing. There we go. File. Save. I'm assuming it's saved.
It's saved.
As
Quick.
doc.
There it is.
There it is.
And now you can open it. Great. There we go. How simple was that?
Very simple.
Is this your favourite? Do you like it better than Linux Mint?
I have to admit I do, because I am so used to this.
Can I just say, the way you created a text document isn't actually the way you usually would do so.
Yes.
You would usually, let me show you what you'd usually do. Go to the start menu.
Okay.
You created one from inside a folder. Go to start, then programs, rather than documents.
Yes.
Then accessories, and then you can go to Notepad from there.
Oh, okay. What about
or you could even do Wordpad, which has bold and stuff.
What about open like Word?
Microsoft Word?
Word, yeah.
That costs money. You have to buy that.
Oh, okay. But
yeah, it doesn't come with Windows 7, doesn't come with XP. That you have to really buy.
Okay, no worries.
But Wordpad is the closest thing to Word you're going to get. In fact, have a little look at it.
Oh, yeah, that's very
So
similar.
it's got New Times Roman, bold and stuff.
Okay.
Okay, so your next task is what's 48 times 32?
Okay, calculator, which I am assuming would be in here. It would be in programs, accessories, calculator. Perfect. 42 times 32. I think that's what you said.
Yep.
There we go. Done.
I actually said 48, but anyway,
That doesn't matter.
I just looked at the thing. That's okay.
You've said 48 times 32 in all the other ones. I thought, let's be different.
Yeah,
Go
okay.
ahead.
Next is customize the look of your computer.
Okay, well, I'm assuming I right-click. I go to Properties. And... well, there's screensavers appear... oh, background. I'm already in background. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. Waves.
What do you think you'll use?
I'm just going to go up. Oh, they don't exactly have many,
What, pixels?
yeah, it's not like high definition.
Yeah,
is
pretty
it?
low resolution.
I'll choose that.
There we go.
Nice castle.
Okay, fantastic. The next task is, well, you zip through those faster than anything else. I'll let you just explore the operating system yourself and check out what kind of programs it has in it. So, what do you notice?
Okay, I don't know what this FGWA...
That actually is a file I accidentally put on there. You can forget that exists.
You know what? I'm going to delete it. Is that okay?
Yeah, delete it.
I even know how to do that.
Yeah.
Good.
Right.
I know what's in my...
And where did it go?
In the recycle bin,
Great.
which should be somewhere on this screen. Oh, recycle bin there. Went in
Yep.
there.
Fantastic.
Got Internet Explorer.
So check that out. There's Internet Explorer.
Yep. Fine, and you can maximise
Yep, fine.
and minimise. Perfect.
Great. And it's minimised to the taskbar, which I'm sure you like.
Yes, I do. Oh, I'm really loving this, actually.
So you want to swap this for your XP?
Well, XP's working fine for me, but, you know, if XP ever went out of, you know, it wasn't compatible with things, I'd choose this, but the problem is this is older, so it's not going to be much help to me.
Yeah, a lot of programs on the internet, if you search, you'll barely find anything compatible
So
with
tell
XP.
me, this is older than XP. What?
1 year older.
1 year older.
Yep.
Then what? Obviously, they improved on it to go to XP. What did they make better?
It was... you can't really tell so much right now, but it was quite unstable. People got the blue screen of death quite often.
Oh, I see.
There was also problems with... when you boot up your computer, it always thought there was something wrong with your disk, and it was all like... as you saw, it was scanning the disk to make sure there was no errors.
Yeah.
And the active desktop crashed as soon as it booted up.
Okay.
Things just continuously went wrong. Like,
I see.
and when you deleted a lot of files all at once, your computer would just hang and crash.
Oh, okay, fine.
So there was so many problems. They just needed to quickly get this away. Windows ME is known as a disaster operating system.
Yeah.
They just needed to replace it.
I like the fact that XP, which is the next operating system above this, is simply an improvement of this, rather than just, you know, scrapping it completely and starting out new like what they did with Windows 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about you have just a bit more of an explore before you turn it off, otherwise this video is going to be way too short.
It is going to be short. Okay, set up MSN. Oh, that's that talking thing with other people.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Okay, well, I don't use that. uTorrent. What the hell's uTorrent?
It's a program that I don't know why that came with Windows
Oh, okay.
ME, but it just somehow did.
Okay.
It's not supposed to.
Okay, my briefcase. I wonder what's in my briefcase here.
So it says you can use your briefcase to help you organise and keep your documents up to date between two PCs.
Okay, very interesting. What's next? Windows Movie Maker. Well, you're already doing that for me. How many have we made now, these videos?
Oh, I have no idea.
14 or something. Oh well.
Outlook is simply an email type program.
Oh, okay. Can you just use the normal Gmail on?
Yeah, you can use Gmail.
Oh. What's this? The new internet account has not been created yet.
Yeah,
okay,
you can
we want
just
to get
quit.
rid of it. Oh. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes, I do want to exit. Thank you.
It's like such a disaster. It's not being created.
Okay, online services. What's this?
America Online.
What What's that?
I don't know.
Is that an internet service for America?
I don't know.
Earthlink Internet. Oh, that is... Okay, well, I don't understand any of this.
Yeah. How about you look at some of the programs from the start menu?
How come I can't get out of this now?
You're having this problem a lot, aren't you? So what's happening when you're trying to quit that?
Oh!
Why won't it go away?
I don't know. Close. Am I missing something?
Yes.
What am I missing?
You haven't put your area code in.
But I'm not in America, I'm in Australia. Where's Australia?
At the top. This is one thing I don't like about this. It's forcing you to use this program.
Yeah. Okay, I'm in Australia. What area code are you in now? If you dial a number to access an outside line, what is it? Well, I'm not trying to dial to get out. Oh, thank goodness, it's...
Don't detect my modem.
So cancel. The internet connection could not configure. Oh, well, good for it. Goodbye. I don't think I'll be doing that one again. My network services, okay.
So look at some programs it comes with, just generally.
Yeah, accessories, let's see. I really like the way when you go on it, it pops out. I just like that. Entertainment, sound recorder, volume control. Oh, what's that, the preview?
Tells you about the operating system. Certainly makes it look pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I guess if I bought this operating system, you know, back then I probably would have looked at that.
Yeah.
But I'm not interested now, so how do I actually make it go away?
Way out of date with that.
Exit.
Away.
Okay.
They kind of had something like that in Windows XP called the Windows XP Tour.
Yeah. Oh, okay, well I never even saw that, and yet I'm using XP all the time and I really like it. Yeah, I know what Paint is. Yeah, this is all stuff I'm all used to. And I even know where the shutdown is, okay. Fine. Now, let's have a look. What's that? An error has occurred.
Okay, we've just demonstrated that Windows Me isn't quite... Actually,
it's been shut down to...
That's not a Windows Me boot screen.
What's boot screen is this?
I mean, not boot screen. That's a Windows 7... Okay, what? I think that's my... Oh, crud.
What's happening? What's that?
I can't quit the program.
Why not?
It's supposed to be a virtual computer, but it spread to my main... I have no idea how it spread to my main computer.
So what does that mean? What do we do?
I don't know. I'm filming the... I want to prove that the virtual PCs are dangerous. What's it even saying?
It cannot find boot device. What does that mean? Press any key to reboot.
Why isn't it...
I'm pressing the space, but am I supposed to press a letter or something?
I have no idea.
Shit!
What?
Phil!
There's Windows Me back. See, every now and then Windows Me will have a random little crash like that.
What was that all about?
Okay, Windows Me...
Are you laughing?
No. Windows Me had the blue screen every now and then, but that was exaggerated. I set up a little trick.
You set this up?
Yeah.
You're gonna get it.
No.
You're gonna get it.
No. Seriously. Stop. Okay, basically, you sit down, please.
I'm not gonna sit down. Look what you've just done to me.
Sit down.
My God. How did you set this up? So the computer's not broken, it's alright.
No. Basically, the idea was everything from the moment the Windows Me blue screen appeared was fake. I set that up. I just got the images off the internet.
How the hell
compiled
did you set that up?
I compiled it into a program. In fact, you may have noticed that the program I made to try and set this up to scare you wasn't even compatible with Windows Me, so I was actually running it on Windows 7, which overlapped the virtual operating system. Anyway, so what happens is Windows Me does have the occasional blue screen, but it will never do something like that and actually have a man popping out of the screen going, "Ah!"
Well, I
at
should
you.
hope not.
Yeah. That would really be a blue screen of death. Anyway.
Does it scare people to death?
You can turn your computer off now.
I don't want to touch anything. I'm
Mum,
What?
it's gone. Don't worry. It has a self-destruct. It's gone, that program now. Don't worry. It's really gone.
It's gone.
Yes.
Okay, well, if it isn't, you're going to get it.
It is gone.
Shut down. Okay.
There we go. Look what it says. It does a little boxy orange thing. It says it's safe to turn off your computer now. Anyway, what do you think of Windows Me?
I'm still trying to get over that joke that you just did on me.
Yeah, well, the thing is, I gave you such an easy operating system. I mean, get real. XP is identical to that, especially since you have it in the classic theme. So I had to do something just to spice this up.
To spice this up, you call it scaring your mother half to death, spicing
Well,
this
who's
up.
going to want to watch a YouTube video of just you in your comfort zone on the computer?
Well,
Okay, so Windows Me, what do you rate it? Is it better than Linux Mint? Truthfully.
well, provided it doesn't crash and do all those things, I actually find it easier to navigate, but I am being biased because of the fact
Yeah,
that I
that you
already
do like
use
XP.
XP. But let's just say that if I was used to using a different operating system, like, you know, a Linux-based one, then
Yeah.
sure, Linux Mint would be better. But
Okay.
so, yeah, so far this has been the best, apart from the little joke that you set up, and also apart from what you've described it as being unstable.
Yeah.
But I like the fact that Windows improved upon it and made a better operating system that was more stable, being XP. That's really good.
Fantastic. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video and the little prank I did to spice it up. If you give this video 500 likes, I'll get that.
500.
Yeah, I'll put that program I'll upload it onto the internet. You can't get it anywhere. I made that from scratch. So if you want that little program to prank your friends with, 500 likes and it's yours.
What's this, my son the briber?
No. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Maybe we'll see me next time.
If you're
Bye.
still alive.
Yes, bye.